Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm just going to share with you some basic details about the sales funnel. So some people call it as a marketing funnel. Some people call it as a conversion funnel. So we know that every structure, every company or every business follow a proper structure. Or if any business, if that business is following the proper structure, that means that business is following the sales funnel strategy. So in today's video, I'm just going to explain you uh, and give you the overview, exact overview about the sales funnel, what sales funnel is exactly. So let's get started. Let's jump on the screen. Now, hope that my screen is visible to all of you. So, this is the general diagram of funnel. Now you can see that every funnel is having some stages. So the very first stage of a funnel is awareness stage. Then the second stage of any type of funnel is interest. Then the third stage of any type of funnel is desire, and the last stage of a funnel is action or call to action. Now, so when we are driving traffic to our funnel from various platforms, for example Facebook, Google, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, we are driving traffic to our funnel from various these type of different social media platforms. When the prospect comes through the social media to our funnel, enter into our funnel, the very first stage is awareness stage. So in this stage we are going to share some type of lead magnet. For example, we are going to share one checklist, a free report checklist, or any type of free book in exchange of their email ID. So in this awareness phase, we are just explaining them, we are just giving them overview about our product or service. Then the second stage is interest. In this phase, we are digging more deep into our product or services. After creating interest in their mind, we are creating desire in their mind, and the last stage of funnel is call to action. We are providing any type of call to action. For example, subscribe to my channel, then enroll for my free course, enroll for this workshop. So these are some kind of call to actions there. Now, when we are driving traffic through any organic method or paid method, organic method means we are not investing in ad, but and paid method means we are investing in ad. For example, we are running our business ad on Facebook, either on Instagram or Google or YouTube, any on any platform. If we are running an ad of our product or service, then we are driving traffic from that platform to our funnel. Once prospect enter into our funnel, we in first stage we are nurturing that prospect with our firstly we are nurturing with our free lead magnet. For example, free ebook or free course or free workshop. So just we are nurturing them. After email nurturing, we are just retargeting them. We are retargeting that prospect with our ads on again on these platforms: Facebook, Google, Instagram, and YouTube. And the last stage is conversion happen. After retargeting to those prospects, the conversion will happen in last stage. So this is the exact strategy many of the business owners and many of the businesses are following currently. So this is the exact strategy behind any type of funnel. So there are four types of stages. In every funnel is having the four types of stages: awareness, interest, desire, and action. So depending on these stages, they are just getting more conversions and getting more leads. So when I just wanted to mention one more thing here. When any type of prospect entering entering into our funnel through this type of platforms, either from Facebook ads, Google ads, or Instagram ads, any type of platform. When they are entering into our funnel, the very first stage of that traffic is cold traffic. They don't know anything about our product or services. Those type of traffic is cold for our business. So when we are nurturing that cold traffic with our content, with our newsletter, or with our emails, after that, after getting nurtured by our content, that cold traffic gets convert into the hot traffic, sorry, warm traffic. And after that, after again nurturing to that warm traffic, after going through our different products and using our different products or services, that warm traffic gets converted into the hot traffic, and that's convert into the conversion. That's called as a conversion, or that's called as a conversion. So this is the exact strategy behind the funnel, and many of the entrepreneurs or business owners are using this strategy. So yeah, this is just the overview of about the sales funnel. In next video, I'm just going to explain why how who can use these funnels, and how you can, in upcoming videos I'm just explaining how we can create, how I'm creating the sales funnel for my business, and how you can create your very first sales funnel for your business. So just stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.